adding blank bar to your video in Davinci Resolve is a great way to achieve that cinematic look of yours. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add black bars in Davinci Resolve. Now, if you want to add a black bar, you have to use an output blacking. So for you to use output blacking, go to the timeline menu at the top, then select output blacking and choose the aspect ratio you want. So you can choose the aspect ratio. For example, you can choose between 2.39 to 2.50 or 70. If it depends on the aspect ratio of your choice. After that, use the adjustment clip. Now for you to use the adjustment clip, go to the edit page, drag the adjustment clip from the effects library onto a new track above your video. Now in the inspector panel, go to the cropping section and adjust the top and the bottom crop to create a blank bar. After that, you can also use the solid color generator. So for you to use this solid color generator, you have to go to the edit page. Then from the edit page, you have to drag the solid color from the effects library onto a new track above your video. Now adjust the size and the position of the solid color to create blank bars at the top and bottom of your video. And this is the best way to achieve that cinematic look in your video. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.